Hey everyone, welcome back to Art of Abhi. Today we are making this super cool scene. A car that drives to a portal disappear using just a simple trick in Blender. It's beginner friendly, super fun to pull off, and by the end of this video, you will have your own magical portal scene ready to render. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. First, delete the default cube. Press Shift A, add a circle. In the pop-up setting, set the vertices to 64. Switch to edit mode. Press S to scale it up. This will be our ground. Then press F to fill the circle. That's it. The ground is ready. Now import the car model into the scene. Hide the ground plane temporarily and then select all the parts of the car. Press Alt P and choose clear and keep transformation. This ensures everything resets cleanly. Next, delete any unwanted and extra object from the car collection. Now select all the parts of the car again. You will notice the car model has multiple modifiers. Right click and choose convert to mesh. This will automatically apply all the modifiers for a clean base. Deselect the tires, then press Ctrl J to join all the remaining parts of the car body into a single object. Now press Shift S and choose origin to selection. This aligns the origin point properly. Next select the tires, then the car body and press Ctrl P, choose object keep transform. This panels the tires to the car body while keeping their current position. Unhide the ground object, then select it and press Shift D to duplicate. Move into edit mode, press S to scale it down, switch back to object mode, press R to rotate the new circle. This will become our portal. Now let's animate the car. Select the car model and go to frame 1. Press K and insert a location keyframe. Then move to a desired end frame. Move the car along the x-axis, making sure it crosses the portal. Press K again and insert another location keyframe. Now hit spacebar to preview the car's movement. Next, animate the portal. When the car reaches about the halfway into the portal, in my case that's frame 115. Select the portal and press K to insert a scale keyframe. Now go to the frame 110, press S then 0 and press K again to keyframe the scale at 0. This gives it a growing portal animation. Also make it reverse. When the car crosses the portal, make the portal disappear by applying the same keyframe in the reverse order. Then hit spacebar to see the animation in action. Now with the portal selected, go into edit mode and press E to extrude to provide some thickness to portal. Select both front and back faces of the portal, then press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. This adds some nice curvature. Let's make the car disappear as it enters the portal. For that, press Shift A and add a plane. Go into edit mode and press S to scale it and position it along the x-axis. Make sure one side of the plane lines up with the center of the portal. Next, press E to extrude it upwards to form a solid volume. In the object data properties, go to the viewport display and set it to Y. Then under visibility, uncheck render, so it will not appear in the final output. Right now, even as the car passes the portal, nothing happens. To fix that, select the car model, go to the modifiers tab and add a Boolean modifier. In the object field, select the plane we just created. Change the operation mode to fast to ensure the clean calculation. Now when the car enters the plane, it will disappear as intended. To make the tire disappear too, select both tires, then the car model, press Ctrl C and choose copy modifier. This applies the same Boolean modifiers to the tires. Now hit play and watch the full effect in action. After this, feel free to set up your lighting, tweak your camera angles, apply texture and shaders for the car, ground and most important for the portal, and finalize the scene as per your style. And that's it, you're done. Your car is effortlessly driving through a portal and disappearing in a style. Pretty awesome, right? If you give this tutorial a try, I want to see your creation. Tag me on Instagram and show off your versions. I will definitely be checking them out. Seeing your progress is always the best part. Keep pushing the limits of your imagination and I will see you in the next tutorial. Follow Art of Abhi for more.